In today's video tutorial, we're going to learn how to make the skinny chevron scarf. And the supplies you'll need for this is a crochet hook, some worsted weight yarn, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. The yarn you get, it's just go by the label on what type of crochet hook to use. I'm using a worsted weight, a red heart, and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And you can do as many colors as you like. I'm gonna do 2 colors. I'm gonna do white, of course, and then I'm gonna do this color. I got this from Hobby Lobby on clearance. And this is one of my finished ones right here. And you can see how the chevron takes shape right along here. And then the yarn I used, it changes color, so it started to change in the mid portion here, but it's comes out really nice. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start out by chaining 15. So you'll make your slip knot, and then you're going to do 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And now what we're going to do, we're going to work in the back of the chain, and we're going to crochet through these little bumps on the back. So you're going to crochet in you're going to do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go into this bump right there, and they're a little tight, so you got to wiggle your hook in there, and that's 1. Then we're going to do 3 more double crochets. And now we are going to do 2 double crochets that are 2 together. So we're going to single crochet 2 together. So we're going to use the next 4 bumps for those. So what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over, go into that bump, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through all 3. You're going to do that again in the next stitches. I'm going to go back down, and then you're going to complete your stitch. Now we're going to do double crochet down the rest of the chain. It's 1, 2, put some of my yarn, 3, then we're going to do 2 in the last chain. 1 and then 2. So you're going to have a total of, counting their chain 3 right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to turn, and we're going to work in the back loop. We're not going to go through both of these like we would normally, like these. We're not going to go through those. We're going to go through this portion right here in the back. So you're going to double crochet in that first stitch in the back loop. Then you're going to do 3 more double crochets in the back loop. Whoops. Pull out my yarn. And now we're going to do 2 double crochet together in the next 4 stitches. So there's 1 and 2 right here. And we're going to do 1 more double crochet, 2 together. And then we're going to crochet down the chain. 2, 3, and then we're going to put 2 double crochet in the last stitch, but you're going to go through both loops on this last stitch because it gives it a nice finished edge when you go through both loops. That's 1 and 2. Can be a little tight, and we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and just repeat it all over again. And at the end of this row, I'll show you how to change your color. You're gonna double crochet into that first stitch. Then you're gonna do 3 more double crochet. Then we're going to do 2 double crochet together. We're going to do 2 double crochet together again. Then we're going to do our crochets on down the piece. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to put 2 in that last stitch under the 2 loops. And don't complete that last double crochet. Stop right there before you make your final 2 in there. Just stop it right there, and then you're going to get your other color yarn and do a slip knot. You're going to clip off your white or what other color you're using, and then you're going to put this on your hook and you're going to pull through those 2 loops, and then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to turn, try to crochet around your tail, and you're gonna crochet into that first stitch, double crochet in that first stitch, then 3 more double crochet, pull my yarn, then we're going to double crochet 2 together twice, then we're going to do that one more time, then we're going to do our remainder double crochets. I think I missed a stitch somewhere. Let me see. Yes, I did. When you change your yarn, it's kind of hard to see that first stitch right there. So let's try that again. I'm going to go into that first stitch right there. It's 1. Try to crochet around my tail. 2, 3, and 4. So we got our turning chain 1 and the first stitch, and then our next 3. And now we're going to do double crochet 2 together twice. This tail will cooperate. Let me snip it. Alrighty. And we'll do another double crochet 2 together. And then do our remainder double crochets. 1, 2, 3, then our last 2. Four and 5. Chain 3, turn, go in that first stitch. So you're just going to keep repeating what we're doing each row. So you're always going to have 5 in the beginning, counting your turning chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet. Then you do your 2 double crochet together. And then you're going to do your 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then our last 2 and the last stitch will be our 5 double crochet. So you're going to have 5 double crochet in the beginning, 2 double crochets together in the center, and then 5 on the end. And see how our chevron is starting to take place. So continue to do that as long as you like, and whenever you're satisfied with the length of your scarf, all you have to do is just fasten off like this, and then you'll just pull up your loop, thread this on your darning needle, and then weave in your ends, and then you're all finished. So it's pretty simple, and I'm trying to do at least 1 or 2 video tutorials a week. So if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be the first to know when they come up. And I'm also doing a giveaway on October 15th. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with some bag full of stitch markers, a crochet hook holder, a crochet hook, a pair of scissors, all kinds of good stuff, even a tape measure, some fun stuff. And there'll be a picture of that at the end of the video. So if you could be so kind and subscribe, I will post some more videos soon. Thank you.